Hey, today we're going to talk about the cubic function. As we know, a function is a special relationship between values. Each of its input values gives back exactly one output value. For the cubic function, the function is represented as f of x equals x to the power of 3. This function, as well as many others, can be transformed. When we say that a function can be transformed, we refer that it can be reflected horizontally and vertically, and it also can be stretched or compressed. To exemplify the properties of transformation in the cubic function, we can use Toby the snake. Toby is the biggest snake in the whole world. Why? Because it can go from negative infinity to infinity, both in domain and range. So, he's always increasing on its domain. Now, let's take a look at how Toby can be transformed. Let's say that Toby wants to get back to its nest. The only thing we have to do is modify the formula to this. F of x equals negative x to the power of 3. When we plug in that negative sign in front of the x, we translate the whole function vertically. And voila, Toby is back to its nest. Now, let's say that Toby encounters some trouble. He encounters a brown hawk. What Toby has to do is look larger, but still back up a few inches. So Toby plugs in this formula. F of x equals 1/8 times negative x to the power of 3 minus 2. Toby plugs in 1/8 because in order to him to stretch, he has to choose a number greater than 0 but less than 1. Again, we use the negative x. Why? Because Toby wants to face his opponent. So he flips horizontally. Lastly, we have the negative 2, subtracting the whole function. This what we'll do, will make Toby go down 2 spaces in the y-axis because he wanted to back up a few inches. Toby hits enter and voila. Toby got bigger, faced his opponent, and backed up a few inches, all with one function. With this last transformation, we finish our lesson about the cubic function. Thanks for watching.